In a relationship, making your partner feel special isn't just a one-time gesture. It's an ongoing commitment. Every small action you take to show her she's cherished adds layers of love, trust, and connection. Here are 9 thoughtful ways to make her feel special, ensuring your relationship continues to thrive. 1. Express genuine appreciation. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to make her feel special is to show appreciation. Acknowledge her efforts, no matter how small they may seem. Whether she made you a meal, supported you during a tough time, or just brought positive energy into your day, let her know you noticed. For instance, instead of a generic thanks, say, "Thank you for always knowing how to make my day better. I truly appreciate you." Such words remind her that you don't take her for granted. Genuine appreciation builds a foundation of respect and love in any relationship. 2. Plan thoughtful surprises. Surprises don't have to be expensive or grand to be meaningful. It's the thought and effort that count. Think about her preferences and what makes her happy. A surprise picnic, a handwritten letter expressing your feelings, or even her favorite dessert waiting for her after a long day can leave a lasting impression. You can also plan surprises that align with her passions. For example, if she loves books, surprise her with a novel from her favorite author. These gestures show that you pay attention to her likes and dislikes, making her feel truly seen and cared for. 3. Be an active listener. Listening actively goes beyond just hearing her words. It means understanding her emotions and responding thoughtfully. When she shares something, resist the urge to interrupt or offer solutions immediately. Sometimes she just needs someone to listen. Show her you're engaged by maintaining eye contact, nodding, and asking follow-up questions. For instance, if she talks about her day at work, respond with, "That sounds challenging. How did you handle it?" This small effort makes her feel valued and understood. 4. Celebrate her achievements. Big or small, her accomplishments deserve recognition. Whether she landed a promotion, aced an exam, or achieved a personal goal, celebrate with her. Your support can be as simple as saying, "I'm so proud of you," or as elaborate as planning a celebratory dinner. Celebrating her successes not only makes her feel special, but also shows that you're her biggest cheerleader. It reinforces the idea that her happiness and growth matter deeply to you. 5. Compliment her thoughtfully. Compliments are an easy way to boost her confidence and make her feel special, but they must be genuine and specific. Generic compliments like "you're beautiful" are nice, but they don't carry the same weight as something more personalized. For example, say, "I love how you light up a room with your energy," or "your creativity always amazes me." Thoughtful compliments show that you're paying attention to her personality, skills, and unique qualities. 6. Spend quality time together. In today's busy world, giving someone your undivided attention is one of the most precious gifts you can offer. Quality time doesn't mean being in the same room while scrolling through your phone. It means being fully present. Plan activities she enjoys, whether it's cooking a meal together, watching her favorite movie, or taking a stroll in the park. Even a simple evening of meaningful conversation can strengthen your connection and make her feel like she's the center of your world. 7. Support her dreams and goals. Take an active interest in her aspirations. Ask her about her dreams and the steps she's taking to achieve them. Your encouragement can be incredibly motivating. If she's working on a personal project, offer to help or simply cheer her on. For instance, if she's starting a new hobby, surprise her with tools or resources that can aid her. Your belief in her abilities will make her feel empowered and loved. 8. Show physical affection. Physical touch is a powerful way to communicate love. Simple gestures like holding her hand, giving her a warm hug, or cuddling on the couch can make her feel deeply connected to you. Pay attention to what makes her comfortable. Some people thrive on frequent physical affection, while others appreciate smaller, more subtle touches. Understanding her preferences and responding accordingly will make her feel safe and cherished. 9. Be consistent in your actions. Consistency is key to making her feel special over time. It's not about one grand gesture, but rather about showing her every day that she's important to you. Small, consistent actions like sending a good morning text he dates or regularly asking how she's feeling can build a strong emotional bond. Being reliable and dependable creates a sense of security. When she knows she can count on you, she'll feel valued and appreciated. By taking these actions, you'll not only make her feel special, but also deepen the connection and love you share. Making her feel special is about being thoughtful, intentional, and genuine in your actions. It's not the size of the gesture, but the depth of your care and attention that makes the difference. Start implementing these 9 ways today and watch how your relationship blossoms. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to share this with someone who could use these tips.